Now's the time to buy, and now's the time to save.
Come test drive the 2020 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, perimeter alarm, rain sensing wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.